You guys know who this is from Harry Potter? I think I was searching his name cassette, but I don't know if I'm saying it. Quirrell? 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 I don't know how to say his name.
Under your spotlight.
Hey rice balls, I hope you all doing wonderful. Today I have a makeup video. I don't think I like calling them tutorial anymore because I basically don't show you. Will you stop that? I don't call them makeup tutorial anymore because I kind of feel like I'm not, I don't know, I just don't feel like I am doing a great job at showing you guys. So like, not a great job, what's the word, like, no, I don't know. I am showing you how I do this, so I mean, you won't be able to have the same eyeshadows that I use on my videos because some of them are beauty control products and beauty control is no longer available. I've been saying that on all my videos and I keep saying it just in case somebody be like, hey, where do you buy those? Hey, are those like fake makeup? Hey, what's up? You know, and I don't, you know, so I will keep saying it, you know. So today I have a really Slytherin Harry Potter vibe. I love green. Green is one of my favorite color. It's green, yellow, this mustard color that looks really washed off like my makeup looks right now, but this makeup looks so good unless I actually pass this video to my laptop and I edit the video in my laptop, then yay, it looks like how I look in person. If it doesn't, then it sucks. But never mind, I still want you guys to see how I achieved this look. It's very beautiful. It's very, oh, I love it. I'm gonna show you. I'm not kidding when I say I'm a Slytherin fan. Girl, please. Yeah, I'm not kidding. I love Slytherin. I really love Slytherin. I think it's one of, it's like my favorite house. I actually did a makeup look with like green eyeshadow. I don't know if it was a halo eye or a cut crease, not sure which one, but I know that I really liked it. So I was like, I'm gonna do a video because I was gonna do a video anyways, but that day I was like, I'm not gonna do it. Actually, I think I did like a short, like few seconds video in my vlog, but I really loved it and I was like, I need to make a video about this. And yeah, this one looks a little bit wider. I think it looks a little bit taller, but like if I look at myself, it's a little bit taller. It is. I actually didn't show you guys that part in the video, but I used this Kylie Cosmetic lip color in Trick. It didn't do like a huge thing, but I actually put this on because I thought it was going to like at least darken a little bit on the like the outer line, the corners, I don't know, but it didn't actually. But the good thing is it helped me out to get this really like, what's the word, like the color that you see in the tube is the color that I have on my lips. That's what I'm trying to say. Like without the lip liner, it probably will have looked a little bit more lighter, but with the lip liner it actually helped me a little bit to just get the same color that I have in the tube, which for me that's amazing. So basically that's about it. My eyebrows, I wanted to say this really quickly. I've been using this element glue stick for my eyebrows. I do that first and then I put my eyebrows out and a little bit, well not a little bit, and up. This one is staying like that, so I was like, never mind. And I do that, it actually holds my eyebrows so damn good. It just, they're like stick in there. and it's easier for me to like see the lines and to see where I need to add more color and trace lines and all that stuff. Really love it. Here I have more proof. I'm not kidding. I have it right here, Professor Snape, and I have his wand. Oh my god, I almost died. It's right over here. You see, I actually bought this in Universal Studio when I was living in Florida. I really love Snape. He's one of my favorite characters. He's one of my favorite characters. So yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. So yeah, I know I've been talking for a long now. Please don't forget to like and comment to this video whatever other other look that you guys want me to do. Comment down below, and also comment down below which house do you like more. I like Slytherin, and it will always be Slytherin, and all the houses are freaking cool, don't get me wrong, they're freaking cool, but my favorite is Slytherin, and I got proof. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe as well, and I will see you all on my next video.
You were sleeping so serene, uncorrupted by the fuck shit. You just chilling so pristine. You just need less drama and more Bellinis, more truffles, a little weed. Roaming through the city in search of shit to believe in. You just want some freedom, vibes immersed in, raw papers in your purse, hoping for the best, but you keep expecting the worst, girl. My shit is the best, it's making you smile. We spraying champagne at the club, get it out. Talk, don't make me do all the talking. I know I may not be perfect, but I think I'm the perfect option. Your flaws and my flaws, and your bra and my drawers. I know you got class tomorrow, but you might need some time off. Searching for conclusions, girl, you keep asking me why, but every time I come around, I know you feel the vibes, don't lie. Just the moment. We just live in the moment. Just live in the moment. Just live in the moment. How much do you want it? You got it, just flaunt it. Yeah, and just live in the moment. Just live in the moment.
Okay, y'all, that's about it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It will really help me a lot. Also, oh my gosh, thank you for the 100 subscribers. I am so happy I reached 100. Oh my gosh, I was like thinking, when am I going to reach 100 subscribers? And of course I need to make content so people can subscribe and like my content. Like, if my content is good, people will subscribe. If it's not good, I won't get subscriber. Of course, I am super happy. I'm really happy that all you people that are subscribing and watching my videos, and for you all that is watching my videos and liking my videos, thank you so much. That really helps me out. Every time I log into my profile and I see like people are liking my videos, I'm super happy. And I know I have like 35 views in one video, 28 in another one. I don't care. I really am happy that at least 35 people watch my videos and at least 4 people actually hit the like button. Please don't forget to hit the like button on the video, guys. That helps me, and not just me, do that with everyone. I sometimes kind of like I like a long time ago, I just sat down, I was like watching videos, and then I was like, I really liked that video, but I didn't like the video. So I went back and I liked the video, and that's what I've been doing for like, what, a year now? Because before I used to do likes very rarely, and now I'm like, oh wait, I forgot to give a like. So I will go back and give the like and then keep watching the next video, because I think like if you actually enjoyed it and you learned something from it and you liked the video or something, hit the like button. It doesn't cost you anything. So please, if you want to start now, start with me. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, guys, I really hope you all enjoyed it. I will see you all in my next video. Comment down below what other kind of makeup look do you guys want me to try, and I will try and do my best. If it's a fail, probably I will see if I post it. If it's not a fail, you guys are going to see it. Anyways, also don't forget to go to my Twitter and follow me, guys, because I actually do tweet sometimes in my I am in my Twitter most of the time, or sometimes Either I'm in my Twitter or Instagram, two of my favorite, and Pinterest. But Twitter and Instagram are my favorites to be on. So if you guys want to go and follow me there, please do, because I sometimes need like, hey guys, what kind of videos, makeup videos you guys would like me to do. And if I don't have anyone following me, I cannot actually like ask those questions because nobody answer them. So if you guys want to go and follow me there, and we can actually talk about makeup, about life, about dreams and hopes and all that stuff, go to my Instagram and follow me, and my my Twitter, my Twitter and my Instagram, but mostly the Twitter. That's what I'm talking about. So I will see you all in my next video. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day and take care.